Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Senegal. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Senegal, a country in West Africa, is driven by agriculture, fishing, mining, and tourism. Some of the country's main industries include food processing, mining, textiles, and refining. Finding the best brokerage firm as a Senegalese trader can be a difficult process, especially one which is locally situated or which accepts both Senegalese traders and their local currency, the West African CFA franc. So, in this list, we will be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Senegal. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is EasyMarkets. EasyMarkets is an online, fully regulated financial broker, which is recommended for beginner traders, is regulated by the SEC in Cyprus and the ASIC in Australia. EasyMarkets offers beginner traders enhanced risk management tools, fixed spreads on all Forex pairs, all on an easy-to-use Forex trading platform. EasyMarkets specializes in trading through Forex, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, precious metals, and indices. Their featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and the EasyMarkets web platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on standard, VIP, and premium accounts with fixed spreads, lower minimum deposits, no commissions, over-the-phone customer support, a variety of trading safety and insight features, and more. EasyMarkets also provides their very own educational academy, which features training courses, their very own educational video series, as well as a variety of ebooks that cover topics such as technical analysis, trading psychology, guides in platform functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education with EasyMarkets. At number 4 is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Was founded in 2010, is regulated and supervised by reputable organizations with its head office located in Australia. This broker accommodates various levels of traders. Whether you are experienced or new to trading, you will have the option to trade in over 100 different market instruments and a variety of currency pairs. Pepperstone specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts, with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of helpful trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as their very own beginner's guides, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Pepperstone. At number 3, we have XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries around the world. and offers support in 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CYSEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Micro, Standard, XM Ultra Low, and Shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. At number 2 is RoboForex. RoboForex Group was founded in 2009 with its headquarters located in Cyprus. With over 800,000 active traders, 12,000 market instruments, and 8 different asset types, RoboForex offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, ETFs, commodities, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, R and C Trader platforms, as well as RoboForex's terminals for mobile traders, which are supported on iOS, Android, and Windows operating systems. Provided accounts are featured on Prime, ECN, RTrader, ProCent, and ProStandard accounts, with up to 36 currency pairs, a variety of tradable market instruments, lower minimum deposits, and more, with fixed spread accounts available on ProCent and ProStandard accounts. RoboForex also provides their very own educational panels, which features Forex analysis and forecasts, beginner introductions to getting started, a wide range of video tutorials, trading tools, as well as an economic calendar if you are looking to expand your education with RoboForex. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Senegal, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian, fully regulated online financial broker. Was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the market through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products, ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private service, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own video educational tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Senegal on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.